Hi everyone, welcome to Just Christina. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Today we're going to talk about US tourist visa applications, facts, tips, everything you need to know. So guys, keep watching this video if gusto niyo malaman kung ano yung mga kailangan yung ihanda, mga kailangan yung gawin, at mga bagay na dapat yung iwasan for your US tourist visa application. So just keep watching. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who have been watching my other video, how to apply for a US tourist visa for Filipinos. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, nakalink siya in the description box below so you will know the video that I'm talking about. So first of all, kailangan natin ng valid passport. So my passport is inside of this passport leather cover. This was given to me as a gift by a friend. Pero pagdating nyo dun guys, you have to really remove it. Remove your leather cover sa passport nyo when you go in and especially during your interview day, kailangan talagang i-remove to. A lot of you have been asking me kung kailangan ba talagang 6 months valid at least yung passport nyo. Well, if you go to the website, which I link down below, nandun sa description box, you can check it out. They really do mention that it has to be valid for at least 6 months or so. But then, recently, I've come across this one article. Ililink ko rin siya below so you can check it out. There's a list of countries na exempted from the 6 months valid. So, I think if that is a very updated information, then I guess even if you're 6 months or below valid yung passport mo, you can still apply for the tourist visa. But you have to double check on that. But then, guys, personally, yung tip ko sa inyo, much better if at least 6 months so that if you're ever gonna stay there for that long, hindi mo kailangan mag back and forth and do the paperwork. Para hassle-free kayo, guys. Pero when you get there, chill lang kayo, visit lang kayo, just go around and have fun. You have to make sure na yung passport nyo ay hindi basa. So I got to talk to someone on YouTube and she was so worried na baka hindi tanggapin yung passport niya kasi nabasa raw sa ulan or something. I'm not 100% sure if that's what she said. Basta nabasa yung passport niya. I really think that you should guard it with your life. Medyo mahaba-haba yung process in getting a passport and it's a little bit of a hassle if you have to go through it again. Secure your passport sa bahay nyo. Huwag nyo ilagay kahit saan. Don't treat it as a normal ID because it's not. Kailangan yung alagaan yung passports nyo kasi dyan din yung visa nyo. So, some people also think, by the way, na visa at saka passport is separate. Hindi po. Sa passport nyo po ilalagay yung visa nyo. So, dyan is-stamp yung visa nyo. So, you have to take care of it because that's gonna be very, very important. Another question I was asked by some people who have seen my video, again, it's linked in the description box below. I was asked if ano yung mga questions na tinanong sa akin. So basically guys, these are the default questions. Where are you going? When are you leaving? When are you coming back? What's your job? Are you gonna be traveling with someone? If yes, sino yun? Ano yung job nila? But then, other questions will be custom made based sa situation mo. That's where it becomes a little bit complicated, but not. Sinasabi kong complicated kasi hindi mo ma-expect na yung question na binigay sa akin or sa ibang tao is bibigay rin sa'yo. Kasi titingnan nila yung circumstances mo, yung situation mo, all the angles about your life, and that's how they're going to come up with their own questions. The consuls do not have a set of questions na default for everyone and repetitive lang. It can really vary. Depending sa circumstances nyo. You have to answer it honestly. So, next tip ko sa inyo guys, you have to really make sure to answer your DS-160 form truthfully. And kapag sinagot nyo yung questions dun sa interview, you really have to make sure na magko-coincide sila nung mga answers nyo sa DS-160. Someone asked me on YouTube as well, okay lang bang sabihin na 1 month lang ako pupunta dun sa DS-160 but then I'll stay for 3 months? Please don't do that. I really, really discourage that. We all travel with plans, right? Alam natin kung kailan tayo gustong bumalik. Kasi syempre, bibili tayo ng ticket pag pumasa tayo. So, my tip, just be honest, dapat mag-coincide yung sa DS-160 nyo at saka sa interview day nyo. Next thing as well, guys, please do not buy your ticket before you pass the interview. That's a huge myth. A lot of people had said in the past, muntikan na akong madala doon na. Sabi ng mga tao na kailangan may ticket ka bago ka pumunta doon sa interview. No, you're not required to have a ticket. I strongly discourage you na bumili ng ticket mo kasi baka ma-deny ka and then you're gonna regret that you spent that much tas hindi ka pala allowed. Even if you have the ticket, they're not gonna be convinced if tingin nila hindi ka dapat papasukin sa US. So, don't buy your tickets right away. Wait until you pass the interview and then get your tickets. Another thing that really happened in my personal experience during my US tourist visa application. So, di ba sinabi dun sa website that you have to prepare all your documents before the interview? And I really agree with that. You really have to. Whether or not it's gonna turn out like how it turned out for me, na hindi nila tinignan, not even a glimpse. See, I'll show you. Guys, this is how thick all my documents are. From start to finish, you can really see ang dami kong nilagay dito. I really spent so much time on this. But the funny thing is, what happened was that they didn't even touch it. So that was for me. But for other people, they were really asked for supporting documents to back up whatever they said during the interview. So, tip ko sa inyo guys, just prepare all the documents you ever can prepare. Things like your bank account, if you have a credit card, your credit card statement, your transaction history. When it comes to bank accounts, by the way, hindi lang bank certificate ang i-recommend ko sa inyo, but also get your transaction history from the last 6 or 3 months. Some people say 3 months is enough. But, nanigurado ako guys, nag 6 months talaga ako ng transaction history kahit hindi naman nila tiningnan. Just prepare that much transaction history just in case hahanapin nila yon. There's this myth that you have to have like 1,000,000 pesos or something, a huge money in your account. Well, yes and no. Yes in the sense na you have to be able to prove to them that you can afford your trip. Titingnan nila yan guys kasi paano naman sila mako-convince, diba? Like pupunta ka ng US tapos yung pera mo ito lang. You have to have enough money in your bank account. So basically, titingnan nila kung ma-afford mo yung trip mo doon. But yeah, you really don't have to like 1,000,000 pesos. You have to have a sort of a good estimation kung magkano yung kailangan mo for like a span of days, a span of weeks, a span of months na magsistay ka doon. And most of all, mas maganda if you'll be staying with someone you know, not necessarily staying in hotels or stuff like that kasi masyadong mahal and you will really be needing a huge amount of money. Guys, sobrang mahal ng mga hotels doon. So, wag kang mag-answer na mag-hotel ka and stuff tapos yung pera mo is not enough because they're gonna be questioning you big time. Okay guys, so basically I'm running out of storage, but I hope that I've answered your questions. I will be making more videos about these topics. Kung meron pa kayong mga tanong guys, just feel free to leave it in the comment section below or reach out to me on Twitter or Instagram at justchristina. I'll be glad to answer your questions based on what I know. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification as well so that whenever I upload a video, you guys can see kung ano yung pag-uusapan natin. But yeah, thank you for watching and I hope that you learned something from this. Hope to see you on my next one. Bye!
I come and I lay down my burdens. I know that I do not deserve it, but you took it all with your purchase. So God, I will search for your purpose.